you guys most looking forward to today, would you say?
Harry Potter.
Harry Potter?
Yeah.
Do you guys know what house you're in? Hufflepuff. I'm asleep.
Oh gosh. Well, she's dressed up as Slytherin today.
Well, you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much for taking
Thank you very much. Bye.
What is the screaming plants called?
I'm not a proper fan if I don't know this. I should know this.
It's a thing devil thing. Devil. Is it?
It's a screaming plant. Yeah.
It's not fruit.
I know that. That's a different studio.
What's it called?
What was it? Mandrake! What team are you?
Slytherin.
Team Hufflepuff? No, Ravenclaw!
Yeah, but I don't get why I'm in Ravenclaw. I thought I was Slytherin at heart.
Slytherin. I'm you're Slytherin today because
Yeah, I'm
you're
Slytherin
green.
today. But on Pottermore, I'm Ravenclaw.
Team Hufflepuff all the way.
Ravenclaw.
Ravenclaw. Mama's Ravenclaw.
But I'm not Ravenclaw. I'm Slytherin.
They switch kayo.
Yeah. Hufflepuff all the way.
Have to check. Oh, Gryffindor! Yeah. 3 points for Gryffindor.
Enjoy your stay with us. Oh, and should you happen upon a dragon forest here, please alert member of staff and run. Not necessarily in that order. Thanks.
To the classroom through the back. Anyway, we thought you might rather watch the game of Quidditch than listen to beds, but we'll have to sneak you out of the class and downstairs.
And let's roll.
Meron? I didn't know. At the start, I had it open, and then when the Dementors and the spiders came, I stopped. Ayan na. Ma, we'll just be here, okay? We'll look around. Hufflepuff! Ravenclaw!
Oh, there
was another person.
that did it. Oh, there you go.
Do you want it?
Is there any other one? I doesn't say.
That's the only one.
Okay. Don't like it.
How much is it though to print it?
27 of the
Do you want it? No? Okay, that's fine. Thank you. You know, during that ride, I said, Expecto! But then I remembered the meme. It's expensive petroleum! I couldn't think of it. You didn't drink it last time in Japan, right? How is it? Fine. You don't like it?
I didn't think it would taste like actual butter.
Does it taste like butter?
Yeah, some butter.
Let me try it. Let me try it.
Do you get
Butterbeer. No, it tastes better than the one in Japan. Did you not try it in Japan? Maybe it was just that one time in Japan.
Oh, the foam tastes like butter.
It tastes nice.
Yeah.
So, rating.
8 out of 10.
Okay, 8 out of 10 for butterbeer. Okay, let's go. Next location. Leviosa.
voice is coming from. It's me.
Hi, I'm the problem, it's me.
Hi, I'm Melinda. I'm going to be your tour guide today as we explore the Universal Studio 8 to 100% sound warehouse. We're going to build absolutely anything that the script demands. It doesn't matter if the scene is supposed to take place in the Himalayas, or the Mojave Desert, or in Bayside High. London Square. These sets are part of our metropolitan area, kind of all designed to look like any metropolitan area in the world. These sets we've affectionately named London Square, and it hasn't just been London. Yes, of course, we used it as London for Hobbs and Shaw. It became London for Austin Powers, but it's also become other areas of the world. This became India for an episode of the Mindy Project, which goes back home to India to visit her family. We've transformed this into New York for Spider-Man starring Tobey Maguire, as well as The Amazing Spider-Man starring Andrew Garfield.
scared.
There are still dinosaurs. Uh-oh, we've been spotted. Alright, please get us out of here. This is a dedicated soundstage, which means it's dressed to look like a subway station all year long. It's a very unique soundstage because there's actually 2 levels. Now obviously we won't see the second level today, but we will see this first level. And it looks like it's dressed to look like San Francisco. You see we've got a sign right over there that says San Francisco. We've got Golden Gate.
Showcase an unbelievable new live show. Looking so live. Anyway, behind this Hollywood
Why is it scary?
smack dab in the center.
To another. Yeah. I get it, y'all. I might be a psycho as well, but this is what my backyard looks like. Welcome to the crash site set from Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds. Wow. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is a real 747 aircraft. That was purchased by Paramount for about $60,000, which sounds like a steal. But they always get you in shipping and handling. It cost Paramount over $200,000 just to ship it to the
This is Nintendo World yet.
Gutters, flicking nickels off of your magic wand, you wretched wizard! You'll never even go to Hogwarts!
Oh, Dad, let me help you. Oh, you're such a good son.
Oh, hey, you there, Mr. Butterfingers. Be careful with that. Hang on. What am I? Imperial Palace, here we come.
You want to live me? Raining against the fluffy warm, angel water.
Human being were to enter that room, who knows what events might occur you in. They could grow 50 feet tall, or stay extra large. And I wear the Hey, you're not even.
Thank you.
It's gonna open. It says there, automatic doors.
We're the first people to ever ride this baby. We're like that space guy who did that food thing.
Neil Armstrong?
No, Chewbacca.
Now enjoy.
Ice cream? No, revenge. We're on vacation. Can't you kill me on a work day? Simpsons? Give me that line.
Forget it, Bob. We'll never.
You waited in line an hour for this thing. Now hop in.
He's pregnant.
Now the last thing you'll ever see. A little revising.
Nothing could ever be broken that we can't fix.